You're gonna love the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated rear seat, backup camera, fog lamps, power liftgate, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, keyless start, satellite radio. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.